Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, now we will go to part 6 for this course. Now we will go for analysis and design. We will run analysis. Here we can check the load cases to run. Here we can see these load cases will be run when we will run the analysis. Here in any case, if we don't need to run any one of them, for example, if we don't want to run model case, then we can select this one, then here we can make it do not run, so here it will be do not run. Okay, now we will run all the cases, so all the action will be run. Okay, so click on run now. Here if you want to see the detail, you can hide by clicking there. Analysis done. This is displacement due to dead load. We can see the animation. For dead load, the structure behaves like this. Stop this. We can check displacement for earthquake like this. Here we can run animation for X direction like this. We can see the draw contours on object. Okay, then click on apply. It will show like this. Here color map shows the displacement value with different colors. At top it is almost 3.92. Here maximum displacement 4.2 for QX and minimum minus 0.1475 inch. This is in inch. We will finish this analysis and design for preliminary selection of our structural members, beam and columns. After finishing this stage, we will go for different types of check for building. After finishing this checks, if we need to increase any section or any structural member, we will do that. And after fulfilling all the check, if it is passed, then we will go for detailing stage. So now close this one. Now we will go for design. Here concrete frame design. Here you can check your code, design, check. As per the analysis, it will design the members for reinforcement. Different types of check we will show in next tutorials step by step. For example, P delta check, torsion irregularity check, drift check, displacement check, base shear check. All these checks we will show step by step. As we have used auto section, so it is asking for retrial. I will click on yes. Now balance is 86 concrete frames. click on again. Yes, we can see it is still having some concrete frames to reiterate for design. That means what we have provided in our auto section, that is not enough for finishing this auto design. So we will check which sections are failing and which sections are passing. Click on no. This is the section. Here it is showing. Here we can see beams are failing. Almost all the beams are failing. Here you can see the governing load combination for which it is failing or over stressing. Decon 26. Decon 26. We can see the summary result from here. External details, share details. You can see our design result. We will go to elevation for checking the column. Display river percentage. Here this column we will increase the section because it is showing 5.2% reinforcement. Normally in residential building, in this type of structure, we are providing maximum 3.5% river for column. For high rise building in mega project, it is allowable up to 6% in column, but for this type of project we will go up to 3.5%. Now we can see our section, column sections. Here we can see 12 by 18, 12 by 18, 12 by 18. Here as per requirement it has selected 12 by 27 section. 12 by 27, 12 by 24, 21, 15, 27. In here we can go to elevation B for checking our river percentage. Here 12 by 18 it is 4.51. We will see in 12 by 27 how much it is. 4 to 5 floor. This is 12 by 24 and this one 12 by 27. So now we can take decision. Here we will provide 12 by 24 for this grid to be. For now I will select all this, then now I will unlock the model. Here I will choose C 12 by 24. Okay, now I will run once the analysis. Now here we will see the river percentage. So this is okay. In upper floor we can reduce the column section as it is requiring 1% reinforcement. Remember that Etabs will show minimum 1% rebar requirement in column, because ACI provision requires minimum 1% rebar in column section. As we can go for up to 3%, 3.5%. So in upper floor we can reduce section by allowable dimension. That one we will see. Now here this one finished. Now for other columns what we can do, we will up to at least 8 floor we can see the section to see clearly. Then take picture like this, copy here, we'll copy and paste to Word file. This one grid B. Now for A, and we will paste here. In this way, after finishing all the grid, as our structural plan up to A, B, C, D grid covers all the column, so that for elevation is enough for column section checking. Now here we will go to grid A, unlock the model. We can change our support condition, because it is always recommended to use fixed support for RCC structure. As RCC structure gets fixed support or boundary condition in reality. For single pile only we can assume that support condition is hinge or pinned. Now we will change our support condition, fixed, apply. When we will consider fixed support, we need to consider moment in foundation design. For fixed support there will be some moments. So now I will go to elevation A, here our we will check first grid 1A. Here you can see 1A. Here it seems it is okay up to grade beam 1.32%. So here we don't need to change the section, but here we can see the variation in 1218, 1215 down, 1515 down, it is 15. So here all the 15, here it is 12 by 18. In this one we can change to our assign frame section property 12 by 15. Now here 3A, this is 3.26% in between one floor to two floor. 1 floor to 2 floor. Here this one is 12 by 15. Here above we can see if there is any larger section. So all 12 by 15. So only here up to 2 floor it is up to first floor it is 3.64%. So we can do one thing. We cannot decrease instantly above first floor or second floor for 10-story building. At least we have to maintain a continuity up to 4 floor. Assign frame section property. Then here we will add 12 by 18 and above this we will select 12 by 15 as these are passing with this. So assign 12 by 15. Now there will be no auto section as we are taking decision how much we will provide the column section. Now come to this last one. Here 1.63, so this is also okay. So full we will provide. Assign 12 by 15. Then we will go for that B1, B elevation view B. Here elevation B, as we have selected this one, this okay. Now come to this side. Here 3.84, so up to 4th floor we will change this one. This 12 by 15 upper floor, no problem. Here we will select this 12 by 18. Then for upper floors we will choose 12 by 15. Here this side 4.08, so up to 4th floor we will choose 15. It is having less. To 4th floor we will provide 12 by 18, and from here to here assign 12 by 15. Now this is done. This grid is having 5.78. Here up to 4th floor, 3rd floor we will see 4th floor 12 by 18 is passing at up to 4th floor. 21, 3rd floor 21 also having 3.89. So here we need to go for 24. That means here we will go for 27. To 4th floor assign 1227. Then here we will go for 24. Here we can provide 12 by 18 also, but from 27 to 18 suddenly reduce 9 inch in column dimension is not allowed as per our design practice and code. only 2-3 inch you can reduce floor by floor. So our column selection is done. Now we will go for analysis and design. We will check. Now go for design. This is for beam, as still there is beam auto section. So click on no, done. Now we will select only the column, select, then show only selected object. We can add another window here. Select object type, column, show selected object only, go to elevation A, like this, and here go to elevation A, here we can see the river area, and here we can see our river percentage. See here, all below 2%, 3.5%, here on 3.41%. We will provide that maximum reinforcement in that column all over the same section in that grid. So this is okay. Grid A, grid B, here also this one only having 4.52%. Check the section 12 by 27. Here we will remember this one, 3B grid requires more than 12 by 27. We have defined column section maximum 12 by 27. Now later on we will go for 12 by 30. In that case I hope it will pass. Now 3B we will remember, then I think other columns is passing. Here it is 4.4%, 12 by 21, 12 by 21. Here you can provide 12 by 24 section, 3B and 3C. These two grid. Here it is okay. So up to D, okay. Only 3B and 3C grid we will change our column. Define section properties, add copy, provide 30, C 12 plus 30. Click on OK. So go to 3B. Here we will provide 2, 30, then here above 27, and go to 3D. This one we will provide 24. Now I hope if I go for analysis and design, it will pass. So this is done. We will see our percentage at 3D grid 3.26%, so it is okay. And come to 3B, here also it is reduced 3.89. here we can consider this for one floor as it is coming 3.89, so we will provide here 12/30. For only one portion we will provide here 12/30 with this percentage of reinforcement. So our column design finished. In the next tutorial we will design our beam. So till then, stay tuned with Decode BD and like and share the tutorials with your friends.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.